आज ओनमुत सिविक्स सोशल साइंस तथ मे सॉल्व क्वेश्चन यह अकॉर्डिंग टू द असाइनमेंट हल कर फिक्रे वो क्या दलील यानी असाइनमेंट इथे कन तो मगर तथ कह जाए खाली कह जाए भर कह टिक मार्क कर वगैरह हाँ विच आर राइट विच आर रॉन्ग तो मगर मे थोमुत ऑलरेडी कर तुम अत कर कि तुम इथे कन याद थवन तो बेस पे थवन लिखित वो क्या फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स यह भरन यानी खाली जाए भरन अत मज फर्स्ट पार्ट साउथ अफ्रीका became a democratic country in 1994. Second part, apartheid means separation on the basis of race. यह खाली जाए apartheid हाँ पे माया नायडू lived in Johannesburg खाली जाए पे Nelson Mandela यह खाली जाए fought the apartheid system in South Africa. Pancham part, the language Hector and his classmates wanted to learn dash aspect is Zula. Pachu tick mark to the right statement. Dr. Ambedkar favors untouchability. Ichugala cross. Doyam part, equality and justice are inseparable. Issue. Third part, untouchability is now banned in India. Issue. Police bullets killed Hector. Issue. In South Africa, non-whites were allowed to vote. Issue gala. Part. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. For whom we are having in India the reservation of seats. Reservation in India is a system of affirmative action provides affirmative action provides to representation for historically disadvantaged groups in Indian society. Second part, what are various key elements of democracy? The elements of democracy are as democracy are as follows: adult franchise, regular elections, the free and fair elections, freedom of speech, and expression, the freedom of speech and expression, dharnas, strikes, rallies, etc. Prem part, what do you mean by equality and justice? Answer, equality and justice are inseparable. Part, who is responsible for holding to resolve conflicts? Jawab government is responsible for helping us. Helping to resolve conflicts. Answer, government is responsible for helping to resolve conflicts. Pancham part, Supreme Court is the protector of the Constitution. Discuss. Answer, because it can declare any law null or void if it finds violation of any provision of the fundamental rights. Question to the Kaji Pet to Patkiriu. याद असाइनमेंट तुम इथे कन और किम टाइप पेपर यो तो यह पत करू सो हल तो तवे कन बनो मे अमी हिसाब सह तुहन क्वेश्चन पेपर ती अ कस्मुक असाइनमेंट ती तो फिक्रे तो यह करो कापी पे पे यह लिखो यह तो पत करो याद तो ताकि तुम दियो पन्नस एग्जामस मज सवाल जवाब असल पे। बाकी शुक्रिया।